Welcome to Crypto Rocket. In this video, I will bring to your notice the latest coin that will soon be listed on major exchanges and launchpad. Listing coin on major exchanges play a very good role in pumping the price of the coin. So now let's proceed. MEMV listing on Binance. KLX also listing on Binance exchange. TRMX listing on MEX Global exchange. D-Trade also listing on MEX Global exchange. VITA listing on L-Bank exchange. MOB also listing on L-Bank exchange. DLUR listing on Gate.io. MAF listing on MEX Global exchange. AGX listing on Gate.io startup launchpad. CVTX listing on Gate.io exchange. IMAYC listing on Gate.io startup initial offering. WATT listing on Gate.io startup. JAM listing on Gate.io startup. SSV listing on Huobi exchange. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please follow me and subscribe on my TikTok, YouTube and Instagram page. Thank you.